FIG, stock analysis price prediction for the last day of the week. This is 15th of August and onwards. I'm going to be breaking down exactly when and how would I buy and whether I'm actually even going to be buying at this point even. Actually, no, I just trimmed yesterday. I trimmed and I made money. I trimmed 2 separate occasions. First trim was a break even, so I never made money there. And then I made plus 3R here. And guess who has the proof to kind of show you the call out? Well, that's me, right? Sitting at $88, 13th of August. And then yesterday was the day where we freaking delivered and traded. And since it's delivered, the only thing that's going to make me potentially be bullish, like I said, for the theme of this video, I would only really make it in my head, make it be bullish if it starts breaking above $90.50. And if that does not start happening, man, then I'm not going to be buying. You know what I mean? So that's how FIG is looking like. I've got a bunch of, I have like 9 receipts here in the Discord. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, then just click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.